Hi, I'm Barbara Friedberg, former portfolio manager and university investments instructor, and owner of Robo Advisor Pros. Today, we're going to be delving into Schwab's two Robo Advisors called Schwab Intelligent Portfolios and Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium. We're also going to cover the recent SEC fine or settlement that Schwab was required to pay. I need to disclose that I am invested in the digital Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. So I have experience not only from writing about it, but also from being an investor. So first of all, a robo-advisor is a fancy name for a digital investment advisor. You take a quiz, and based on the responses to your financial and risk-related questions, you're given an investment portfolio that fits with your financial goals as well as your risk tolerance. The portfolio that I am invested in is about 62% stocks and 38% fixed bonds and cash. And before we go any further, the one differentiating factor of Schwab is that they require every portfolio to have a specific cash allocation. That cash allocation ranges from about 8% on up to maybe the high teens. And that is where the company has gotten into trouble because this cash allocation can be a drag on performance when markets are going up. Although when markets are going down, the cash allocation is a very nice ballast to temper your losses. But the SEC accused Schwab accused Schwab of not being clear about the cash allocation and that it could in fact lead to a drag on returns. And also because of the fact that the cash allocation was held in Schwab Bank and Schwab was able to use that money to lend out and make more money. Now, the Schwab Digital Robo-Advisor does not charge management fees. So that's the fee that's how Schwab is getting paid for that management of the Robo-Advisor. They have settled with the SEC and they have actually remediated the claims in a really good way because now the cash that's in your intelligent portfolios is actually held in a high yield government money market fund. So you're getting a pretty good return on the cash allocation. But let's stop here. If you do not want a robo-advisor that has 10%-ish cash allocation, then move on. Watch some of my other videos because Schwab is not for you. So what is Schwab Intelligent Portfolios? The basic version is a free digital investment manager. The premium version is a subscription-based investment manager, which means you pay $300 as a setup fee, and then you pay $30 a month to have your money managed. But the cool thing about the Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium is that you get access to certified financial planners. So if you have more than about $100,000 invested with a premium product, you're paying a very small percent to have access to unlimited visits with financial planners and also to have your money managed. So let's go over the basics. The minimum investment amount for the intelligent portfolios is $5,000. So if you don't have $5,000, don't need to listen to any more of this review, feel free to go and check out some of our other robo-advisors. We have a whole list of low-fee investment robo-advisors, and we'll put those down below in the notes. Now for Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium, they do require $25,000 to be invested in the platform. And that is relatively low for a robo-advisor or a hybrid robo-advisor that also includes access to financial planners. The top features are, of course, we all know Schwab has branch access. And with the upcoming merging or integration with TD Ameritrade, you're going to find a very, even probably more robust access to Schwab branches. All premium customers get access to a certified financial planner. Schwab has 30 certified financial planners for the premium program. And in addition to a standard diversified investment allocation based on your risk tolerance, they do also offer an income portfolio, which is ideal if you're looking for cash flow. And that might apply if you're heading into retirement or you just want a stream of cash. And so you can actually get a monthly paycheck from your investments if it's invested in the income portfolio. We've discussed the fees, zero management for intelligent portfolios, and $30 a month for the premium plan, plus $3,000 setup fee. I'm going to switch down here for a minute so you can see what percentage that works out to be depending on how much money you actually have invested with the Schwab Premium. Now, if you have $25,000 invested, you're going to be paying a hefty 1.44% based on your $360 annual management fee. We're not looking at the $300 setup fee. We're just looking at that as what we call a sunk cost. If you have $50,000 invested with a Schwab premium, then you would be paying actually 0.72% or 72 basis points of your assets under management. And that's still somewhat on the high side, but it's a lot lower than you would pay for a traditional financial advisor. But here's where the fees get really, really reasonable. Your $360 a year or $30 a month drops down to 0.36% of assets managed once your portfolio hits 100. When it's 300,000, it's 12 basis points, 500,000, 7 basis points. So if you're cost conscious and you're looking for professional investment management and access to a certified financial planner, the Schwab Intelligent Portfolios premium product has a lot to offer. So back to the accounts available. Another really top feature of Schwab is they have a wide range of available accounts. And this is a standout feature because some of our other robo-advisors lack a lot of different types of accounts. And particularly if you're a little older, a little more sophisticated, have a little more money, you want access to not only an individual brokerage account, you want a joint brokerage account. You might want a trust account. I happen to have, I see a typo here. They offer Roth, traditional, SEP, simple, and rollover IRAs. Oh, I didn't see this before. The simple IRA is what I have for my business account. That enables me to put quite a bit of money into retirement from my business every year. Another factor that we really like about Schwab is they offer a lot of diversification. For example, Vanguard in their digital robo-advisor has 4 funds, whereas Schwab utilizes 53 low-fee stock and bond ETFs. Now, they don't have 53 funds in each of the portfolios, and you'll see a picture of my portfolio below, and you'll see they have about 15, 20 funds. But these ETFs represent 20 asset classes. If you like a lot of diversification, then Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is worth a look. Again, we all want to talk to a live person. So their 24/7 live customer support, branch access, online chat, and email is really a nice feature. And free account management for the all digital Schwab Intelligent Portfolios client. Now, if you are a digital client, although you don't have access to certified financial planners, what you do have is access to their financial consultants, their branch access, and you can get some basic both platform questions answered about the Schwab Intelligent Robo-Advisor and also basic financial questions answered. Who is Schwab Intelligent Portfolios best for? Great for existing Schwab customers if you just want an easy fund transfer to move your money into one of these managed alternatives. If you're looking for in-person branches, Schwab is good. If you want a low-fee hybrid robo-advisor with access to certified financial planners, Schwab is also good. It's not going to be good if you don't have the $5,000 minimum, or for the premium if you can't meet the $25,000 minimum. In those cases, you might want to consider SoFi, because SoFi does have access to financial consultants, and they have no investment minimums. Now, we do need to say, though, that SoFi's financial consultants may not all be certified financial planners. With the premium, here is what you get. Wait a minute. No, let's go back. Let's start with the Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, which is the all digital. You have a goal-driven investment manager. You take a quiz regarding your risk tolerance, age, timeline, and goals, and then you get a portfolio that is comprised of low-cost ETFs in a wide range of asset classes. If you don't like the recommendation and you think, wow, this has too much fixed assets, I want to go a little more aggressive, you can change it, or vice versa. Your portfolio is monitored daily and it is rebalanced back to your pre-decided asset allocation when needed. The Schwab Portfolios Premium has all of that, plus a complete financial plan, interactive online planning tools, and unlimited guidance from a certified financial planner professional. But I do need to give a shout out to another new-ish Schwab feature, which is called the Schwab Plan. And it is an all-digital financial plan. So those of you that go for the all-digital robo-advisor can make use of anyone can make use of the Schwab Plan, but you might benefit most from the Schwab Plan, which is an online program where you link up your other financial accounts, answer some questions, and they give you some investment and financial planning recommendations. So let's look at the funds that are available. You can see they are very diversified, but these are the asset classes from large company fundamental, which means that they target companies based on other factors other than your market capitalization, which is pretty much the number of shares by the price of those companies' shares, and favor